Hi, hello guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can use the magic eraser and the magic edit using Canva. Without any further ado, let's do this. Okay, let's go to Canva and open the presentation. Okay, so we're going to do the blank presentation, and here you will see the magic design. All right, so click the uploads, and then we're going to upload an image that we can use for our presentation. Okay, so I'm gonna take this beach with a lot of trees in front, and then I'm gonna click the edit photo. In here we're going to use the magic eraser. Okay, click that magic eraser, and then once you click that, you will see here the brush. You have to scale it, or you want it's just do the slide on how big you want it to be. So what you're gonna do is just to brush those trees, just like that, and then wait for a second, and you will see the magic happens. All right, so you see all the trees are gone. So I'm gonna take all of those trees, just erase it, and yeah, just like that. Mm. So after you erase it, there's some, little things that, left. So you just clean it up, and you will see the view. There's no more trees. Okay, let's make another template. Okay, go to uploads, and I'm going to upload my photo. Okay, that's my photo, and I'm going to duplicate this so that we can see the difference with the magic. Okay, so once you upload your image or photo, then click the photo, edit photo, there on the top, and then click the magic edit. There you go. So click the OK and adjust your brush. How big or small do you want it? Okay, just slide it there. And then I'm going to change my hair. I want to change my hair color. So I'm going to put the brush on top of my hair. Just brush it like that. And then here, click continue. And the box will pop up. So right here on the box, what do you want to happen to your hair? So I want to change the color of my hair for black. I write the color black, and you see the magic. There you go. It looks like not black really, but it changed a little bit. There's some kind of magic happening here. At least we see that it changed my hair color. So you can choose what color you want. Since I want black, so I might choose this one. Just like that. And you can see the magic. You see the difference? Okay, so let's try another one. Okay, just click that template again, and let's try to put this image of me holding a cell phone. Okay, so I wanted to edit the cell phone. So click that edit photo and click the magic edit. All right, here's the brush. You just adjust the brush, and I'm going to brush the cell phone. Okay, there you go. So once you finish it, you click the continue, and it will give you the box. So here, what do you want to do, or what do you want to happen with your cell phone? So I want it a flower, and I'm gonna generate it. Now you will see that I'm showing something on my phone, which is flowers. So you can choose the flower that you want, or whatever. If you want animals, you can. It's up to you guys. You can play with it and try for yourself. All right. So if you don't like it, you can generate a new one. So it will give you a new result. All right. So then next we're going to click continue, and I'm going to write money. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna generate money. And let's see what's coming up. Oh, now I'm holding money. It's the shape of the phone, right? So yeah, it's all up to you. Like I've told you, anything or any objects that you want to edit it, you can do it here. Okay, let's try another one. So this dog. Okay, so let's generate this dog to something else. Okay, I'm just gonna stretch it so that you can see. Okay, edit the photo and click the magic edit. As you see, the brush is there, so it's up to you. And just brush all move it. There you go. So click continue and write on the box. I think I want to see lion. All right. Lion, and I generate it. So let's see what's the magic. Oh, look at that. My dog becomes a lion. All right. So there you go. There are many uh, types of lion that you want to. You can, if you want, you can generate it again. And let's see, bulldog. Okay. I want a dog to looks like a bulldog. And then I'm going to generate it and hope it give me a cute bulldog. There you go. It's so fun, guys. You can play with it. So I just want to show you guys how you can use this magic edit using Canva. There you go. And then you can just download it and upload it to wherever you wanted to use that photo. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this helps, guys. So keep playing with it, and you can use this for a pro account. If you don't have a pro account, then you can try a free account and play with it. And yes, this is how you can use the magic eraser and the magic edit using Canva. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to everyone. So thank you so much, guys, for your support, and I'll see you next time to my next tutorial. Bye for now.